metimi aka na maka ne pen say enei a Christopher some of them are criminal and na Christopher aba bebre ya widifo bebre ya widifo tete a Christopher na wadi kan na won su ne won ban etisa ana and na ye behwe me fa ba ko na fe magina so na mpense mu na so from the ababa to aso me say many Christians today, many of them are criminals. A man in Exodus chapter 20 verse 30 or said, thou shalt not kill. Now every person or every criminal must face the law. Obia oya widifo me say mran obe face. Criminal means a person who regularly commit or committed crimes or connected with crimes. Obi odi awu o kunipa o pamojagu nyame se da sha no kill enkum eniawu ensusu mekum me bompa yakum atamfo eho na me kire se sanni yewei no sa doctrine church we ya kosno na ama some of them some Christians today are criminals. I challenge asofo binima we free say ni power ho kwan say wo bompa yakum atamfo no to call me, baby, girl person will say, I'm ready to come with my Bible and my senior brother, which is Holy Spirit. Mr. Christos, we are not here to judge, but we are here to reprove or reproving. You need to say you will be a tank. Now, mom, you have said, you are tank. You are one who said, you know, and yet the doctrine of Christianity. Your mom paying kum ya time for. Mr. Oda so was an church ma to home for natural hu ye. Yen kum ya tamfo. Hwa ye won krofo bebre wo kyerese mu a they deserve to kill their enemies than you. Ye woni pa bebre asasank wo kum watamfo e chen wo. Na on kai Jesus Christ. Luke chapter 23 verse 34. Bible say mra wodi that wo born in say wodi piam e won in fit na wodi nso ye che e sheniti no. Or say, Father, forgive them for they don't know what they are doing. And just fight one na wareka. Now, Christos, what does this mean? Christianity means the religion that base the teachings of Jesus Christ. Soma ejina Christo, Yesu Christo ni nchira so. Enya wo nchira so. Mama yam fatete sambi ma Christo sumu se obi nton sanshira ni busuefo. Enti enya me na me bompa ye e de ama me tof. Who told you? Christo su na nya wo de o chen ye. Ni akase Christian ya. Christian is someone who follow the teachings of Jesus Christ and practice for and believe that he alone can save his soul or lead him or her to heaven. And the Christo some na nya wa no keke. En kan kire me so bo ubetima bompa akumatafo. Awudie na awudi no eho na me kire no. Awudie na awudie no eno na me kire no. Can Exodus 21 12 to 16 kire to na kan e kan se mebrede to Genesis chapter 9 verse 5 to 6 kire to na kan e be kire Ade na see your Acts chapter 16 emra ya che Paul ne sra do amokoto afiase no Bible say ye twa ma do amokoto afiase se ani pampa ye ma asase wo so e ma afiase nyina so abubu yi enti se nipa we so obompa yakum na tamfanka ontimi ana but Paul ne sra anya sa omo amompa yakum atamfo but who ye Christo ni che omo. Why are you carrying your enemies? Oh, bombe kumba ifo no tifi hono. Una nabi a wadi 8 years. Aka ne semi ansa wo nanum. Wa picture no ewo wani so. E na wo bompa yaku no. Misra to obu ase na Kristo obenya wo. Ade ne ade Stephen. Acts chapter 7 54 to 60. Bible say what tunsun ni kokro na chi ana wo kosi na bo na mena wo si na bo no ohun sasoro abie na onipa ba no ye na de nkwa Yesu no eti Nyankopon sani faso ana o ka kire wom ejare se ja emfa boni ntu wom so na wonim ne wo ye bompa yokuma tamfo. The character of today Christian, some of them are criminal. We diawu ukamojagu ukunipa deliberately ukunipa. I said that's not okay. Okay, yo na papa ne ba. Okay, na papa no oba. Mami kan we na fe mi ko strobi. Sai so for baby oginagwa. Ana fe yam papa apostle John Ajay Okra ono so ha. Evangelist Banian so aginagwa. Matthew chapter 5 verse baby. Verse 43 going, make it wrong. Matthew chapter 5 verse 43. Or say Matthew say what can say. Do yonko na time with time for. Na media tienie na media no say you share that Jesus manifesto. Na media no and we one title, one topic with Jesus manifesto. Or say na media me say mo say mun no mo time for. Munya wana wata munu ye. Na maye maja wasoro no ma efise o ma na awia pue ni pampone ni papa so na oton suogu wana wotene ne wana wontene so 46 of Matthew chapter 5 na samudo wana wodomo a akatua ban na mubenya togefo so nya saa ana 47 na samutia munuanom ko ara edian na moya aboro so togefo so nya saa ana na 46 no Entimonya pe sane maja wosoro no eyepe midiwasi don't pray to kill enkum enye Kristo sum kire asafa na wama aminya mefie adan enne Kristo ni kwa asori a ne bag mu AK47 wom AK57 AK67 kanko mamre obra no wadai obenya AK97 ni nyina asem tutu ba ko train me catch the New Testament honhom no it cries for the lost souls. Apam foforo honhom ewom no esuma kra eyira ente sa pandada no omo de se na awurade de omo nam na omo kasa ye enti so obi bompai wa pandada no kunipa omfom ye eno na ade asa na nyame de omo nam but ye pen so de apam foforo no ama ye ntiase ye foforo wa pandada no ho. I mean the Old Testament is the root for the New Testament. Within the evangelist Kofim Bible, Mrs. Sofo bi or say Christosom, min Kenya Mison Christosom, and Chile Makwan said Bompe Kuma Tampon. I'm ready to face him. Babia, now sorry, Babia, Meba. Babia, I'll come. Meba. Missy Meba with my Bible. Quote me. Me must be once again. You can search for Evangelist Kofim Bible TV, Evangelist Kofim Bible TV, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Yeah, the video be bregu am so subscribe na fe wa share na fe wa like Evangelist Kofim Bible TV na videos be bregu ho a obetimi enya bi ahwe nyame nhira wo se ubedi Kristo ni kire ene ne nhyehyɛ de so na daakye yetimi ahyia heaven nyame nhira wo ye besan ahyia